Hello everyone! Welcome to my tech YouTube channel. Hey everyone! Today we've brought you a detailed review of the Realme GT 8 Pro. Is this truly a flagship killer? Let's find out. Design and display. This phone comes in cool colors like urban blue and diary white. There's also talk of an Aston Martin Racing Green Dream Edition coming soon. The switchable camera bump is a key feature. You can change the exterior cover of the camera module. Plus, with the IP68, IP69 rating, you don't have to worry about water or dust. Display. Talking about the display, this is a 6.79-inch 2K 3136 by 1440 AMOLED panel. The 144 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and everything super smooth. Not only that, but the peak brightness goes up to 7,000 nits. The screen is clearly visible even in direct sunlight. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Performance, an incredible amount of power. Processor. Under the hood, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This is the newest and most powerful chipset available right now. It's more than enough for gaming and heavy multitasking. RAM/storage. You have options for 12 GB and 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM. Storage ranges from 256 GB to 512 GB, and possibly up to 1 TB using UFS 4.1. No issues with performance whatsoever. Camera. The Ricoh partnership is excellent. This is the highlight of the GT 8 Pro. Realme has partnered with Ricoh. Main camera. A 50-megapixel f1.8 sensor with OIS and EIS. Telephoto camera. A massive 200-megapixel f2.6 periscope telephoto camera. This offers 3x optical zoom, 12x lossless zoom, and a 120x digital zoom. This is great for people who love zooming in on photos. Ultra-wide camera. A 50-megapixel f2.0 ultra-wide lens. Selfie camera. There's a 32-megapixel f2.4 selfie camera on the front. Video. You can capture video up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS. Special feature. The Ricoh GR mode allows you to do street photography with film tones like positive film, negative film, and high contrast black and white. Battery power. The power of the battery. Capacity. It features a 7,000 mAh Titan battery. It's rare to see such a large battery in a flagship phone. Charging. It supports 120-watt ultra-charge wired charging. You can get enough charge for the day in about 15 minutes. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging. Final verdict? Definitely worth checking out. The Realme GT 8 Pro's unique design, the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the 2K 144 Hz display, and the camera developed with Ricoh, all these factors make it the ultimate flagship killer. We especially need to talk about the 7,000 mAh battery capacity. If you want the best performance, best camera zoom, super fast charging, and a unique look, this is the best choice.